The home or rental allowance a church provides must be as payment for services that ordinarily are the duties of a minister of the gospel. The services a minister performs are defined under federal law as sacerdotal functions, meaning the conducting of religious worship, the control, conduct, and maintenance of religious organizations, and under the authority of a religious body. The housing allowance amount must be designated in writing prior to the year in which it is paid and adopted or approved by the church's board or congregation. The amount of the housing allowance excluded from taxable income is limited by the fair rental value of the house and the furnishings. The minister receiving the allowance must be ordained, licensed, or commissioned, and he must maintain documentation to support the allowance designated.